Extract part of a regex match. I want a regular expression to extract the title from a HTML page. Currently I have this. Is there a regular expression to extract just the contents of title, so I don't have to remove the tags?
Use in regex and group 1 in Python to retrieve the captured string. Re.search will return none if it doesn't find the result, so don't use group directly.
Note that starting in Python 3.8, and the introduction of assignment expressions, PEP 572, column equals operator, it's possible to improve a bit on Christoph Krasen's solution by capturing the match result directly within the if condition as a variable and reuse it in the condition's body.
Try using capturing groups.
May I recommend you Beautiful Soup? Soup is a very good lib to parse all of your HTML document.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.